For Flower Cocktail Hour, we're making a ginger orange cocktail with bourbon and sake. We'll start with some shaved fresh ginger. We'll add 2 ounces of rye whiskey. An ounce of sake. A jigger of fresh orange juice. And a dash of simple syrup. Then we'll add our ice. We'll shake. And pour into a martini glass. And then we'll finish with ginger beer. And garnish with an orange peel. The ginger orange cocktail with bourbon and sake. Cheers.